just now. So the story is actually two-sided. The story is actually two-sided, but I'm gonna start with the first side. So the peace, okay, the peace centrality is all about having 200 parties on the ballot, right? Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first side. So the first side of the story is to say that, okay, this might actually will actually give voters an option to choose a political party that goes hand in hand with their beliefs, that goes in hand with their values. You understand? So it means that people will have a choice to choose a political party that fits their beliefs, that fits their values, that fits their needs, that they feel that this particular political party is going to deliver what we want as citizens. This political party is going to deliver what we want as voters. You understand? So it means that it's going to create a variety, it's going to create a narrative to say that, okay, people can actually vote a party that they feel that this particular party is going to deliver what they actually need. You understand? Because now we're going to have 200 parties on the ballot. You understand? Let's take for instance, we only had 5. You understand? We only had 5 parties, and then on the ballot we only had 5 parties on the ballot. But in South Africa we have like almost 200 parties, and then only 5 were allowed to be on the ballot. You understand? So it means that people were not going to make informed decisions. You understand? Because people will end up voting for a party that doesn't correlate with their values, that doesn't correlate with their beliefs, and then they will end up making decisions that are not informed. And then the second side is that there might be a confusion. You understand? There might be a confusion. Okay, let's take for instance, your party is AADP, or let's say for instance your party is ZAPU or something. You understand? And then you find that ZAPU is the last one on the ballot paper. You understand? Is the last one on the ballot paper, and then this might cause a lot of confusion. This might actually cause a hiccup when you vote there, because you'll think that the party is there at the back, like is the last one, and then you no longer know where to choose from, and then this might cause a lot of confusion. This might cause a lot of fatigue. Understand? And then you'll end up voting for a political party that you don't want. You'll end up voting for a political party that doesn't correlate with your values and beliefs. That's just because you were lazy to find that particular party. So that thing can actually cause a confusion. And then another thing that can cause a confusion, you'll find that some acronyms of the party, they are actually interrelated with each other. They're actually interrelated with each other. Just for instance, we have ELF, and then we also have EFF, and then someone just go there by the voting station, and then they find ELF, but they wanted to vote for EFF. You understand? And then they end up voting for ELF because they saw the E and the F, and then they gave a blind eye the L on the middle. You understand? And then they end up voting for what? They end up voting for a party that they didn't want it.